Spatchcock. It is one of the world's most popular words, but it also happens to be an awesome method for preparing a chicken for roasting or grilling. The spatchcock method produces an evenly cooked bird with minimal effort on your part. You can do this with a knife, but you're gonna find your life is a lot easier and more tolerable if you have kitchen shears. If you don't, I have a link for you in the description below. Check that out. If you watched my prior video on trussing a chicken, that is really a great method, especially when you have guests over and you're going to be taking it out of the oven and carving in front of people. This method is fantastic if you're just wanting to do an easy, no worry roast chicken, or this is the method to use if you are grilling a whole chicken outside. Now, I'm gonna be roasting this, so I have a sheet pan and a wire rack, which I'll talk about later. And I also have my favorite barbecue rub, which I'm gonna be applying to the chicken. Spatchcock. I got with me the bird here, and what we want to do is turn it over, because spatchcocking process is you're gonna identify the spine, top, bottom. What you want to do is get a feel for where it is. Now you're going to take your kitchen shears and you're going to cut on each side. So I'm going to cut to the left side now. There's 2 more steps. Okay, now this, you can see that there is a little bit of some meat here, so obviously the standard theory is you can use this for stock, but to be honest, you can just cut this in half, put some rub on it too, and just grill it. And if someone wants to kind of gnaw at it, they are more than welcome. Spatchcock. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is get this flattened, right? And right now, it's resisting being flattened. So that is because of this section right here. And what you want to do is you take knife and cut in, and you see that is the breastbone separating from the section that I just cut. You see this? Now it's flattened out more. Spatchcock. Step number 3, I'm going to tuck in the wing like this. Right? So now this is ready. What we're going to do now is apply our dry rub for roasting. So I like to spread a little bit of neutral oil before I spread the rub on. That's going to help with the application of the rub. I like using the wire rack because it's going to get the air circulating more underneath the bird, and really I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to turn it. I just leave it in until it's ready. In you go. Smells good. Easy peasy spatchcocked chicken. Perfect.
Spatchcock.